this video we will be talking about like how you can get internships and what are the top websites for the internships so you can apply and get your internship done. So there are many websites, but I'm going to talk about 4 websites that are on the top of this, where you can simply get an internship and you don't have to pay anything. All process is free. And let's start. So the first website that I will be showing is the internshala.com. So Internshala is an Indian company which is providing internships for the students. If you are in the first year, second year, third year, you can apply here. So this is the website, as you can see. So there are many internships you can apply. They have divided into categories like part-time engineering, NGO, MBA, design, science, media, humanities, etc. And they also offer internship trainings, as if you don't have any skill, like if you want to learn programming, if you want to learn digital marketing, web development, etc., you can simply enroll in their course and learn these skills that are they offering. Okay, so for applying for these internships, you have to register an account. You have to register as a student. If you are an employee, you can register as an employee, but you are a student, so you have to register as a student. So click on this and you have to just simply sign in with this link, and you have to write your email, your password, your first name and last name. Once you have done, will sign up. And after signing up, and if you already have an account, you can simply sign in. So you have to make your profile full, so that and it can be like your resume for their websites. So I will be showing my account, like how I've created my account. So let's see. So now you can see my profile. Here is my resume that I have created on their website. So you will just have to fill all these information and your resume will be created, and you don't need to upload any your personal resume here, because you can simply create on their website. So here is the education. You have to provide your education field, your jobs, what have you done, your internship. If you have done any previous internship, you can edit here. You don't just leave it empty. Position of responsibility, trainings, projects, skills. You have to write your skills, that all the skills that you have learned, you have to write here. If you have any work sample, you can provide their link and additional details. So like that, you can create your resume here. And once you have created your profile, just go to intern dashboard, and like if you want work from home, you can simply click on work from home, and here are all the internships that are available and that are offering work from home internships. All here is written the duration, start date immediately. You will find here stipend. Some internships provide stipend but some not, and you can apply by this date. So like if you want to do internship in this company Expertrons, you have to just click view details, so you can find more details on this. Now here all the things are written, like what are your day-to-day responsibilities, who can apply, eligibility, what can you get certificate and letter of recommendation, and what are the number of openings, like how many students will get selected. So like here you apply now button, and now it is showing that this is the resume that employer will see that we have created. And you can edit this details below if you want to. Otherwise, you just have to simply proceed to application. And here are some questions that you have to fill it out. So like, why should you be hired for this role? Are you available for 3 months? Are you an active user of LinkedIn? If yes, highlight new points and features, etc. So these are all the questions you have to fill, and once you have written all the questions, you have to just simply submit. So now after submit, the process goes in the application process, and if you are selected, you will be notified by the email. So like this you can apply for Internshala internships. You can search any type of internship here. If you want to do internship in web development, you just have to search here web development. And here it will be showing you all the internships of web development. So you can apply and see what are the requirements and what are the type and etc things. So this was the first website. The link will be in the description. If you want to do online trainings of this Internshala, you can apply through my link. You will get an additional discount. And if you want to register, you can simply register with my link. I will be giving the link in the description, so you can directly go and check it out. So the next platform will be LinkedIn. If you don't know about LinkedIn is like the Facebook for professionals. Here you will find all types of jobs, internships. Here is the LinkedIn website where you have to first sign up, and if you already have an account, you can simply sign in. And here you have to create first your profile. Like I will be showing my profile, like I have created this. So here is my profile, like my name and the short bio, like what I'm doing currently. Okay, while location etc, you can provide about information here, and below you will find the experience section, like what you have done. You can add all the information about your work experience here. And in the education section, you can simply add your school degree etc. And another license and certification section and volunteer etc things. You can also add your project here so that the employer can see your projects, what you have done, and all the things like this you can add. So it is the LinkedIn website. So for searching the internships and jobs, you have to search in the bar internships, and you can find all types of internships here. Like I have written internship in the search bar, you can write here. So now as you can see here, it is written like 483 job results are found. You can find any type of internships. Click on this jobs option. Now as you can see, all the internships are available here which you can apply. Like let's see this Bennett Coleman and Company Limited internship. Click this, and at the right side you will find all the details about the internship, like TP Brand had 2 interns for their team. Details are there. Level internship, pay range unavailable. You can find more details about the company. So like that you can find internships on LinkedIn. And if you have good connections, so you can directly contact your network and apply through their referral, and you can easily get your internship. So as you can see, there are many internships available, like Intel Corporation student internship. Find job description, qualification, BTech, MTech, etc. Location, pay range not available. And for applying through the Internshala and applying through this LinkedIn website, if you have created your profile, it will be good. And if you're not, just apply here. Click on this, and it will get you to the company's website where you can directly apply. So I have click on this apply button website. So this was the second website. Third will be, so guys, third website will be internships.com. Here it is, the internship website. So here also you can find many type of internships. Like for searching, you have to search any keyword like web development. If you write web development, and you can simply click on start your search button, and you will find all the available internships for web development. You can search any type of internship here, and here you can see like it is, the company name is ActiveScaler, and it is requiring for full stack developer. You can simply click on see details, and you can find all the details about this company position. Here is written the description, responsibilities, number of positions available for this internship, and requirements. So you can also apply from this website, and for applying you just have to click create an account first, or fill all the information and create your profile, and then you have to apply now from there. So it is saying that build a better resume, apply early in this. So you just have to continue the application, and it will land you to do app. And as you can see, now it is asking for creating an account. So you just have to create an account, make your profile, and simply apply. So this was the third website. The last will be the Stack Overflow. So guys, if you are more into the tech side of the jobs, you can find many jobs here and internships in the field of technology like development, programming, etc. Here you will find all types of jobs and internships. Like here this is the first job, like company name is checkmate.com incorporation, full stack. It is requiring full stack senior backend engineer. You can find all the detailed information here, and if you want to apply for this, you can simply apply here, easily apply. And you have to create your account, and you have to upload your resume here, and just apply now button, click on apply now button, and if you are selected for the interview, you will get an email, and you can continue to the rest of the process. So this was the last website. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share it with your friends so that they can also apply for these internships. And that's it. Thank you.